see there's lots of birds. It's really so cool. We're in Sharjah kornesh right now, and we're trying to see this lovely bird. And the one over here, gentleman over here who owns this camera, or should I say the cell phone, who's feeding the birds right now. And of course yours truly. Right there. Okay, we're trying to see the birds now. There you go. There you go. He's feeding the birds. Look at all those birds. Just look at all those birds. Every time I try to get his face, trying to look the other way. He's doing it, he's doing it, he's doing it. He's doing it really good. And he's throwing it now. There you go. There you go. This is quite a very good experience. A real good one. Relaxing. Good one. I suggest you folks also try it. Just like in a while. The other one's there running. Couple just enjoying the wind, the cool wind. There they go again. I don't know, it's like 100? Yeah. Maybe. It's just a bird. Oh my gosh, look at my foot. They're all over. Can we stop it now? Can you just take one picture of me there?